warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tria Devanda, Indonesian Technocrat University Management Study Program. In this video, I will explain material about the environment and corporate culture.
Company environment. The company environment includes several elements that can influence the organization's strategy, operations, and sustainability. This environment consists of external and internal environments, which serve as primary drivers for the strategies and decisions a company makes. A. External environment. The external environment is made up of elements outside the company that are difficult or impossible for the organization to control but still affect the company's activities. These elements include general environment, or macro factors that broadly affect industries, including economic. Economic conditions impact consumer purchasing power and operational costs, such as inflation, interest rates, unemployment levels, and economic stability. Political and legal. Government policies, regulations, tax policies, and political stability have a significant influence, especially on companies operating in multiple countries. Social and cultural. Social values, customs, lifestyles, and consumer preferences can influence demand and customer perceptions. Technology. Technological changes create new opportunities but also bring threats, particularly in fast-evolving industries like information technology. Physical environment. Factors such as climate change, natural resources, and environmental sustainability play an essential role in operations, especially in manufacturing or energy sectors. Task environment, or micro. The micro-environment involves elements that are closer and directly interact with the company, including customers. Companies must understand customer needs and preferences to develop relevant products. Competitors. Competitors can influence a company's strategy. Analyzing competitors helps companies position themselves in the market. Suppliers. The quality and reliability of suppliers affect operations and the quality of the final product. Distributors and partners. These parties help the company distribute products to the market and influence product availability. B. Internal environment. The internal environment comprises factors within the company that can be controlled and managed by the management, such as organizational structure. The form and hierarchy of the organization determine the flow of communication and decision-making processes. Human resources. The quality of employees and managers, along with the work culture, affects performance and innovation within the organization. Company culture. Values, beliefs, and norms within the company, which will be explained in detail in the next section. Assets and infrastructure. Physical assets, such as plants, technology, and capital, influence production capacity and efficiency. Company culture. Company culture is an intangible identity that influences the behavior of every individual within an organization. A strong company culture helps an organization build trust, productivity, and innovation. Here are some of the main components of company culture. A. Components of company culture. Core values. Values held by the organization, such as honesty, innovation, and quality, which serve as guidelines in decision-making. Norms and ethics. Standards of behavior and ethical principles expected from each member of the organization, which may vary across industries. Symbols and artifacts. Visual and symbolic aspects that reflect the company's identity, such as logos, office design, uniforms, or specific products. Rituals and ceremonies. Regular activities or events, such as annual celebrations, weekly meetings, or training sessions, that shape the company's identity. Stories and legends. Success stories, experiences, or values from the company's founders passed down to motivate employees. B. Types of company culture. Company culture can be classified into several types according to its dominant characteristics. 1. Hierarchy culture. Structured and focused on procedure and efficiency. It usually has strict rules and controls, such as in government organizations. 2. Market culture. Focused on results, competition, and achieving targets. suitable for companies focused on performance, such as financial services. 3. Clan culture, collaboration-based, resembling family relationships. Companies encourage teamwork and participation, often in organizations that care about employee well-being. 4. Adhocracy culture, focused on innovation and flexibility. This culture supports creativity and adaptation, such as in technology and startup industries. C. Impact of company culture. A strong culture has several positive impacts on the company, including increased employee loyalty and satisfaction. Positive culture builds emotional engagement, which increases loyalty and job satisfaction. Building reputation. A strong culture can enhance the company's image to the public, attracting talent and customers. Facilitating adaptation to change. Employees who are attached to the company culture tend to be more flexible and responsive to changes, especially in a dynamic environment. Boosting performance. A culture that supports innovation and creativity can enhance performance through new ideas and process improvements. D. Building and managing company culture. Building company culture can be achieved through several steps, including selective recruitment. Choosing employees who align with the company's values helps strengthen the existing culture. Training and development. Employee development programs can introduce the values and norms held by the company. Inspirational leadership. Leaders who act as role models play an important role in shaping and reinforcing culture. Reward and recognition systems. Rewarding employees who support the company's values can reinforce positive culture. By understanding the company's environment and culture, managers can design appropriate strategies and build effective teams. These two aspects greatly influence organizational success, making it essential for companies to continuously monitor their environment and foster a culture that aligns with their vision and mission.
That's all the material I can convey. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.